Peg Leg TV here. Wanted to do a quick little video demo on my new app called VC Companion. It's caller ID and more for VoxCommando. We're going to go ahead and click install. This has been tested on Android 5.1.1 and higher. And the only issues that we have is the menu sizes or the window sizes may change, and the input text can change quite a bit, making it rather small or rather big depending on the resolution and DPI of your device. So we'll go ahead and start by putting in our device name. We'll put in our IP address of our VoxCommando computer. We'll put in our port number of our TCP server that we're running with VoxCommando. And we'll go ahead and click save. Now this is what you'll see when you normally launch the app if you don't have a password set up or you're not using the auto voice integration. And we'll get to both of those later. Right now, our action settings, all these settings here can be done without adding any extra apps to your device other than this one. We have missed call speak, incoming call, call ended, calling out, new text SMS. This one only covers regular SMS text, no group chats, and no multimedia text will be triggered, will trigger an event, just basic SMS. New text speak, battery level 10%, 20%, and 30%, and battery level speak. The missed call speak, new text speak, and battery level speak will announce it on your phone saying, you know, you have a missed call from so-and-so or unsaved number. We have new text speak, we'll say new text from so-and-so or unsaved number. And then battery level speak will either warn us that our battery level is down to 10%, 20%, or 30%, depending on which ones you have turned on. And you can turn on one or all three or none of them. So we'll just go ahead and go through and turn on the ones that we'd like to have. And also you cannot use battery level speak without having one of the other battery levels installed. Once we turn off our battery level, it will automatically turn off battery level speak. Let's go ahead and click the app icon in the top left corner. And this opens up our menu. We have actions, auto remote, auto voice, password, reset IP, and help. The actions is what we just went through. So next we're going to go into auto remote. This requires auto remote pro to be installed. If you try and turn any of these on without auto remote pro, it will turn them back off and pop up a toast warning you that you need auto remote pro. Theater on will set your vibrate mode to on and turn your media volume to 0. Theater off will turn your vibrate mode off and set your media volume back to its original setting. Ring Me is similar to Find My Device, except for we can use VoxCommando to do it. This will play an MP3 file, which you will have to supply, and name it ringme.mp3 and put it in your default music folder. And then it will put a little button on your screen that you click, and it will trigger an event in VoxCommando when you find the device. I use it so it says, congratulations, your device has been found, or Peg Leg's device has been found. I use that, makes it a little bit easier when we're trying to find one of our kids' phones or something like that. Again, you have to have ringme.mp3 put into your music folder, and you know, any MP3 will work. VC to phone talk allows you to make your phone talk by sending a auto remote message to your phone, and all of this stuff is explained a little bit better in the forum with the messages that you need to send to the device in order to make these things happen. Next, we're going to go ahead and click on the menu action, and we're going to go to auto voice. This is one of my favorite ones. This changes the way that the app launches. Right now, with this disabled, when we launch the app, it will go straight into the action settings or the password screen. But turning this on will actually use auto voice integration. So it will use a auto voice microphone that will pop up, or Google microphone that'll pop up, and we can get back to our VC Companion app by saying show companion settings. Otherwise, all voice commands will be forwarded to VoxCommando as Android phrases. So it works really well. I've been using it for quite a while, and now I've integrated into this app. So we'll go ahead and turn it on, and I'll show you more of that later. And then here, this is just a little warning letting you know that next time you launch the app, it will be using the auto voice app. You can use show companion settings to get back to VC companion, and also explains how to disable it once it's enabled. So we can go ahead and click OK on that. And then next we have password. This allows for an 8-digit password. This isn't any type of real security. It's just to prevent the app from being open so you don't accidentally change your settings when it's in your pocket or in a bag or something like that. And we can do up to 8 digits. I'm just going to set a nice simple one. And then we'll go ahead and we can click exit so we don't need to reset the IP. So let's go ahead and launch the app and show you how it works. What time is it?
The time is now 11:41 p.m. Have a good night.
And I know that's a little faint because it's off in another room. Actually, it's in a conjoining room, but you can hear that VoxCommando did talk to me. I can also use it to get back into the app, show companion settings. And here you can see I get the password prompt because we set a password. And you know, you can put in the wrong password, it'll automatically clear the field and tell you incorrect password. And then just to get back in the app, enter your password. Now you want to make sure that you do remember your password because there is no way to reset it without uninstalling the app and going through the setup stuff again, which isn't too bad, I don't think. So I guess it's not too horrible to fix. But in the menu, we do have one more section called Help. When you click this, it will actually take you to the VoxCommando forums with the forum post about this app. So if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you can come to the forum and I'll help you the best I can. And then to exit the menu, if you accidentally bumped it, you can just click on VC Companion. And then you can also go in here to reset your IP, port number, and your device name. And if you click cancel, it will save all your settings. It just won't go back into the app. You'll have to launch it again. Show companion settings. And then here I'll just show you what the app, how the app works with auto voice turned off. So all we do is just go up back into our menu, select auto voice, and just turn it back off. And then we can go ahead and click exit and launch the app again. And now it just goes straight to our password prompt. And we just enter in our password and click OK. So the auto voice integration is nice. I do have to say, a couple of the devices that I did test it on, sometimes auto voice took a little while to pull up, but those devices were a little bit older. This is a Google Pixel 2 XL, so it does have a little bit faster RAM, and that's why my microphone pops up almost instantly. I have yet to have any problems with it, where my Samsung Galaxy S5, it took anywhere between 1 second to 30 seconds, and a couple times it didn't even launch the microphone. But it's not the app itself that has the issues, it's something to do with auto voice and Google integration that actually cause it, because if I try and launch it straight from Tasker, I run into the same issues. So we'll go ahead and click exit. And yeah, I mean, it's pretty straightforward. These are pretty simple actions that I hope a lot of people will enjoy, and that you guys can really take advantage of it and use it as some type of a caller ID. I will have some VoxCommando actions or commands and groups that you guys can use as examples, and each one of those will have the payloads laid out. So payload 1 being caller name, payload 2 or payload 1 being caller name or caller number, and all that stuff in there, so that way you can use them to create your own commands or even use the ones that I'm using. But that should do it. Jarvis, say goodbye.
Oh. I'm a little camera shy though, but I will give it a shot. Thank you for watching, and I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Goodbye.